Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, an agriculture teacher. In today's lesson, we are in lesson 29 in Form 3 work, and the topic is livestock production 4, and the subtopic is methods of preserving fish. On to the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to, number 1, state the methods used to preserve the fish, and number 2, highlight the procedure followed during fish preservation. On to the procedure of fish preservation. The first procedure, you're supposed to clean the fish. Cleaning of fish is very important, whereby you remove the mud and also the silt which might be on inside the scales. Then the second procedure is the removal of scale, or in other words, it is called scaling. The second procedure is gutting. And the gutting refer to the removal of the small intestine from the fish. And the number 4, you are supposed to clean the abdominal cavity by running a lot of water, fresh water. Maybe you can use a tap of water where water is running, and therefore you effect the cleaning of the abdominal cavity. Then number 5, you're supposed to keep the fish in open containers for free air circulation. On to the methods of fish preservation. The first method of fish preservation is called freezing. And during freezing, we normally use ice, and therefore you can use a deep freezer, or you can use a refrigerator where the fish may be subjected to very low temperature, which inactivate the enzymes, which and therefore by inactivating the bacteria, I mean not enzyme but the bacteria, and therefore the fish will not spoil, because the bacteria which result to rotting of the fish will be inactivated, and therefore they will not multiply. The second method of fish preservation method is salting. Salting is whereby we normally apply salt. An example of salt is sodium chloride, is commonly used, or the table salt. And the common table salt contain, it's made up of sodium chloride, but also it contains magnesium chloride. And magnesium chloride is hygroscopic. A hygroscopic salt is the type of salt that normally draw water from the surrounding, and therefore the salt will draw water from the fish, and therefore eliminating the water contact, which facilitate the rotting of the fish if kept for a long period of time. The next method is sun drying. And therefore you can use the heat of the sun. You just, after carrying out gutting and dissecting the fish, you properly dry them using the heat of the sun in order to eliminate the moisture from the fish. And the fourth method is smoking method, and therefore smoking method is also another method which is normally used during fish preservation. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I'm going to mark the end of this lesson by giving you this work as a form in form of a question. That is, you are supposed to state any 3 methods used during fish preservation. And for reference, you can refer from the KLB. You can refer from the KLB Secondary Agriculture Student Book 3, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can reach us at Elim TV using the following addresses. The first address, you can use SMS. You use positive 254 723 144 259, and also you can use YouTube at Elim TV, and also Facebook platform at Elim TV, and also you can use Twitter at Elim TV _KE. Thank you for watching us and thank you for tuning to Elim TV. For more information, please always keep tuned to Elim TV.